AutoCAD is powerful software, no doubt about it. But with that power comes a serious demand for the right hardware. If you've ever tried running complex 3D models on a basic laptop, you already know the struggle. Slow rendering, laggy navigation, and crashes that seem to come out of nowhere. So in this video, we're walking through 6 of the best laptops for AutoCAD. Whether you're a student getting started or a full-time architect, there's something here for you. We'll break down the key specs, performance notes, and who each one is right for. Links are down below. Let's get started. Number 6. The HP 17.3-inch touchscreen laptop. If you're looking for a large screen without a large price tag, this is a solid option. It packs a 17.3-inch HD Plus touchscreen, which is pretty uncommon in this price range. That extra screen space makes a big difference when you're looking at drawings, navigating layouts, or juggling multiple palettes in AutoCAD. Under the hood, it runs on an AMD Ryzen 5, has 12 GB of RAM, and comes with a 512 GB SSD. That's a pretty decent setup for students, hobbyists, or anyone working mostly in 2D. It can handle some light 3D modeling, but it's not built for heavy rendering or simulation. Now the touchscreen, while not essential for CAD, might come in handy for scrolling and zooming around a model. That said, this isn't a premium build. The body feels a little plastic heavy, and at around 5.5 pounds, it's not super portable. It's more of a desk-bound machine than something you'll carry to class every day. Another thing to note, the fans do get a little loud when the system's under pressure. Not deal-breaking, but something to keep in mind if you work in quiet environments. But here's the bottom line. For under $700, this is one of the few laptops that gives you a large screen, decent RAM, and a solid SSD. If you're working on 2D projects and want space to see everything clearly, this one gets the job done. Number 5. The ASUS TUF Gaming A15. This one hits a nice sweet spot between performance and price. It's built like a tank, literally. The chassis has that rugged, gamer look, and it can take a bit of a beating if you're moving around between job sites, dorm rooms, or design studios. Power-wise, it's packing an AMD Ryzen 7 processor paired with an NVIDIA RTX 4050 graphics card with 6 GB of VRAM. That combo gives it enough muscle for real-time rendering, 3D modeling, even animation work in AutoCAD and similar apps. On top of that, you're getting 16 GB of fast DDR5 RAM and a 1 TB SSD, which means plenty of room for large project files and smooth multitasking. The 144Hz refresh rate on the display is more of a bonus. You won't need it for CAD, but it's great if you're into gaming or just want a fluid viewing experience. One thing to note, this machine does run warm during heavy tasks. The fans are loud but effective. So if you're regularly rendering, you'll want a well-ventilated setup. Design-wise, it leans full-on gamer. Sharp lines, RGB keys, the whole look. Not the most professional aesthetic, but it's functional and durable. All in all, the TUF A15 is a great fit for engineering students, freelancers, or anyone who wants solid GPU performance without jumping into workstation pricing. Plus, it can double as a gaming rig after hours. Not a bad deal. Number 4. The ASUS Zenbook 15. If you need something lighter and more travel-friendly but still capable of running AutoCAD, this one's worth a closer look. The Zenbook 15 is thin, quiet, and weighs just a bit over 4 pounds, making it one of the most portable options on this list. Inside, it's running an AMD Ryzen 7 processor paired with an NVIDIA GTX 1650 Max GPU. Now, the 1650 isn't a workstation card, but it's still capable of handling moderate 3D modeling and AutoCAD tasks without choking. Paired with 16 GB of RAM and a 512 GB SSD, this setup should be more than enough for most CAD users who aren't diving into massive simulations or rendering. But the real standout here is the 4K OLED display. It's crisp, vibrant, and makes line work and model details pop. If you're a designer or architect who values color accuracy and visual clarity, this screen will spoil you pretty quickly. Battery life holds up well too, around 9 hours with typical use, which is great for something this slim. The keyboard is roomy and responsive, but the number pad layout, which is integrated into the touchpad, may take some getting used to. No, it's not a workstation, but it's a strong choice for architects, civil engineers, or traveling professionals who want a mix of performance and portability without lugging around a brick. Number 3. The HP 15.6-inch FHD Flagship Business Laptop. Now, this one might not look flashy, but under the hood it's surprisingly capable, especially considering the price. It's more of a business-class laptop than a creative workstation, but don't let that fool you. You're getting an Intel Core i7 processor, a hopping 32 GB of RAM, and a 1 TB SSD. That's a lot of memory and storage for a mid-range laptop. For AutoCAD users working mostly in 2D or with simpler 3D models, this setup runs smoothly with very little lag. The Intel Iris Xe integrated graphics won't blow anyone away, and it's definitely not built for heavy rendering or high-poly 3D work. But for drafting, layout editing, and multitasking with multiple files open, it holds up really well. It's also quiet under load, doesn't run hot, and weighs in at under 4 pounds, which makes it easy to carry between classes, meetings, or workspaces. The 15.6-inch FHD display won't win any awards, but it looks clean and sharp enough for day-to-day use. This isn't the laptop for animation, VR, or large-scale rendering, but it is a great option for budget-conscious professionals or students who need a reliable CAD machine without the price tag of a workstation. A solid, no-nonsense workhorse that handles business and design tasks without skipping a beat. Number 2. The HP ZBook Power 16G11. Now we're stepping into serious workstation territory. This machine isn't built for casual users, it's designed specifically for professionals who depend on AutoCAD and similar software for their daily work. From the inside out, this is a purpose-built CAD laptop. You're looking at an Intel Core i7 with 14 cores, paired with an NVIDIA RTX A1000 GPU with 6 GB of VRAM. That's not a consumer graphics card. It's a workstation-grade GPU designed for 3D modeling, rendering, and simulation. Everything's optimized for stability and compatibility, especially when working with large models or complex assemblies. It comes with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM and a 1 TB NVMe SSD, so you'll have no trouble working with multi-layered drawings, point clouds, or simulation files. It's also ISV certified for AutoCAD, Revit, SolidWorks, and other pro software, which basically means it's tested to run those programs reliably without the hiccups that can come with consumer laptops. The 16-inch FHD anti-glare display offers solid color accuracy, and the matte finish is great for working under office lights or near windows. Build quality is also worth mentioning. The chassis is aluminum and MILSTD rated, meaning it's been tested for durability and toughness. Thermals are handled well, the fans stay quiet unless you're pushing it hard. The keyboard feels spacious and comfortable for long sessions, and it even includes a fingerprint reader for quick logins. It's not cheap, but this is a reliable, stable machine for advanced users. If you're an architect, engineer, or CAD professional working with 3D design, simulation, or rendering, the ZBook Power 16G11 is built for your workflow. Number 1. The Lenovo ThinkPad P16v Gen 2. If you're working in AutoCAD professionally and your workload includes massive files, 3D modeling, or simulation, this is the top of the line. The ThinkPad P16v Gen 2 is built for CAD, BIM, and rendering, and it doesn't hold back. It's powered by an Intel Core i9 14th Gen processor and an NVIDIA RTX A2000 with 8 GB of VRAM. A workstation-grade GPU tuned for precision, stability, and performance in design software. Throw in 64 GB of DDR5 RAM and a 2 TB SSD, and you've got a setup that chews through large models, simulations, and multitasking with ease. Plus, the RAM is upgradable, so there's room to grow. Like the ZBook, this laptop is ISV certified, meaning it's tested to run major engineering and architecture platforms, including AutoCAD, Revit, and SolidWorks, without compatibility issues. You also get that classic ThinkPad build quality, a spill-resistant keyboard, track point, and a chassis that feels solid and ready for years of work. Thermals are well managed by a dual-fan system, which runs quietly unless you're pushing the system hard. The 16-inch Dell UXGA screen is bright and color accurate, great for reviewing detail-heavy drawings. On the security side, it includes TPM, a fingerprint reader, and a webcam shutter, making it ideal for enterprise environments. It's not light, around 6.5 pounds, but that's the trade-off for the power you're getting. This laptop doesn't try to be flashy, it just does the job, and it does it reliably. If you want workstation performance without compromises, this is the one to beat. And that wraps up our list, from budget-friendly picks for students all the way up to full-power mobile workstations for professionals. The right laptop really depends on what kind of work you're doing. If you're mostly in 2D or just starting out, a mid-range option will get you through. But if you're deep into 3D modeling, rendering, or simulation, those workstation-grade specs are worth the investment. All the laptops we covered are linked down in the description. Let us know in the comments which one you're thinking about. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more tech roundups.